Welcome back. So in this video, we will be discussing about bitwise operator. Okay, so bitwise operator are AND operator, OR operator, JOR operator, complement, and shift. Okay, right? So in this particular video, we will only discussing about AND, OR, and JOR, and in the next video, we'll be talking about complement and shift. Okay, so as the name suggests, bitwise. Okay, right? So in the last session, when we were talking about the logical operator, is what acting over as on one and zeros, and also we send all positive numbers and negative numbers are the true values, and the zero is the false value. Okay, now here this particular AND operation or operation will be similar to that which we have studied in the logical operator. Only difference is that here it will be acting on the bits. Okay, right? So now let us understand acting on the bits means let us represent the number in bit. So let us say I take on variable x equal to 2. So I'm taking very simple so that it will be very clear to you what this bitwise operator actually is. Okay, so let me represent now 2 in the bits. Okay. So let us represent 8 bits. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 bits, 5 bits, 6 bits, 7 and 8. So this is the representation of 2. Now this 1, 3. So it will be 1 and 1. Okay. Right. So let us understand now. If I take, suppose say we take this one z, okay, uh, right, variable. Okay, now we want to find z is equal to nothing but x and or. Okay, and this particular whatever we are telling, and it is not written as a and d, so this is the okay, ampersand is the for and this one pipe is the for the or, and for jar it is the cap. Let me show you the cap. Okay, right, sorry. Yes, and then we have the complement, then we have the this is shift, left shift, this is right shift. Okay, okay, so we have the and the pipe itself, the cap of the shift operator, or we start with the complement. Complement is in this one. Yeah, you can see in the left corner, right hand side. Okay, some like tilt one. Okay, now let us do AND operation. Now, when you will be doing AND operation, it will be done in all the bit operator. Okay, on each of these bits. Sorry, each of this bit. Now we know what is AND. Okay, AND is if it is both are true, only then we have one. Otherwise, we don't have. Okay, so the AND operation of this will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, and 0. Okay, so this will be for AND. This will be for, okay, yes. Similarly, if you want to do it for or, it will be, since any of this is 1, so it will be for all 0, 0, 0, 0, then 1 and 1. Okay, right? So that means if I do x and y, right, x and y and one operation, then the value will be 2. If I do an OR operation, it will give me 3, because this is 3. Okay, this is 2. Okay, let us do z equal to, first let us do for AND operation x ampersand y. Okay, and then printf. Okay, the z, fine. Okay, then we have z equal to, again, we have x by y. Okay, and the same. Okay, so now what we'll have, this and will give z equal to 2. Okay, and next one it should give me 3, right? Let me save. So 2, I was telling, right, and operations. Okay, so and operation we are getting AND operation we are getting 2, okay, and for OR operation we are getting 3. Yes, so I think this is clear for you. Okay, right? I took simple number. Now the number can be changed. So if I put some like this will be for 10, so I give it for 10. Okay, right? And let me do it for 31. 31 will be, it will be 16. Okay, then okay, 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 8. Okay, right? So it will be like, let me say again, this is 2, 4, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Sorry. Okay, right? So now if I say like this, what will be the output? So Z will be, this is AND operation, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, and OR operator, it will be 1, 1, 1. So that means I get 31. Okay, and that means here I will get nothing but 10 itself. Okay, let me execute 10 and 31. Yes, 10 and 31. So this is the OR. Okay, this is 1, 2, 4, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Okay, and this is nothing but 16 plus 8 plus, sorry. Okay, this is will come into the 31. Okay, yes. So oh, I have written something. I have made a mistake. I think this is one. This is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. This will come. Sorry. Okay, so I've done a mistake. So 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus uh, 18, 16, 24 plus 4 is 8, 28, 28 plus 2, 30, 31. Yes, okay. Now this is correct. Yes, so this is for 31, this is for 31. So we have got in operation of n, it is 10 and it is, okay, 31, right? Okay. Now let us do for the z equal to x of or of, sorry, of or y. Okay, now what is the OR operation actually? JOR operation, sorry, I'm explaining, sorry, JOR operation. JOR operation says, right, in OR, any one of the value which is, anyone is true, then we get true. But in JOR, okay, in JOR, if both are identical, then only we will have the, one value. So 0 and 0 will be 1, okay, and 1 and 0 will be 0 in JOR. Okay, 0 and 1 will be 0. Okay, and 1 and, oh no, I have mistaken. Sorry, this is not the case. Okay, whenever 0 and 0 it will be 0. Okay, 0 and 1 it will be 1. 1 and 0 will be 1, and 1 and 1 will be equal to 0. Yes, right? 1 and 1, it will be equal to 0. Okay, so let us make this is 2 and let us make this is equal to 3. So what will be the output of this? I'm again telling. Okay, so now let me do something which I have to put like, star, okay, and star z, okay. Yes, otherwise it will be, okay, right? Now find out what will be the answer. Again, I'm telling for JOR, if both are identical, it is 0. Okay, so 1 and 1 is also 0, 0 and 0 is also 0. But for 1, 0, it is 1, and 0, 1, it is 1 for XOR. Okay, right? So now we have value 2, now we have value 3. Yes, I give you some couple of seconds in order to find the result. So did you get it? Okay, so let us see. Now let me copy this. Okay, paste. Okay, now x is 2, so we have this. Y is 3, so we have this. Okay, let x is 2, we have this, y is 3, y is 3, we have this. Okay, now for JOR operation, I was telling you 0, 1 will be 1 and 1, 1 will be equal to 0. Okay, so that means 2 XOR of 3 should give me 1. Okay, let me see. Yes, I got it 1. Okay, right? So I hope JOR is also clear. So JOR, again, I'm repeating, if both are 0, okay, it becomes 0. If both are 1, means identical value, it will become 0. Okay, 1, 0 is 1 and 0, 1 is 0, 1 is 1. Okay, so now we have understood the bitwise operator. Okay, it's a simple, take an example of simple and small numbers, right? And we have understood the concept of, the concept of bitwise, and, or, and, JOR. Okay, right? So in the next video, we'll talk about the complement and the shift operator.